Hi children, in this video exercise 7 under chapter 7 dealing with zeros in the quotient we are going to see. So for that I have took the example sum was 808 divided by 8. So this 8 is your divisor and this 808 is your dividend. Okay, so now 8 out, divisor, 808 inside, dividend. Okay. So now 8 is a one digit number. So this dividend also I am going to consider one digit as it from the highest place value. So this 8, how many times will be divisible in 8 table? 8 ones are 8. So this has to be subtracted. 8 minus 8 gives 0. So now the next digit I have to bring down. 0 I have brought down. So now this 0 has to be divided. So how many times 8 will come, 0 will come in 8 table? 0 will not come in any table, right? So this 0 cannot be divided. But we can find 0 when we multiply any number with 0. That is, any number which is divided, multiplied with 0, you will get an answer as 0. So using that property, 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number which is multiplied with 0 or 0 is multiplied with any number, you will get a value as 0 only. So using that property, 8 into 0, this 8 is your divisor, this 8 is your times and this 0 is your dividend. So 8, 0 times 0. Because why I am doing this? Once if I bring one number down to divide, I should divide. Without doing division, I cannot move to the next number. Okay. So that is the reason I am using this property and I am making division over here. So now 0 minus 0, you will get 0 only. So now bring the next number from the dividend down. 8. Okay. So now how many times 8 will come in 8 table? One time. Now subtract. 0. So your remainder is 0 and your quotient is 101, 101. Okay. So we'll see one more sum. 640 divided by 4. 4 as a divisor, 640 dividend. So from dividend, first highest number I should include since it is the divisor is one digit. So from the dividend also one digit I am going to consider. How many times 6 will come in 4 table? You will not get 6 in 4 table. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are is 8. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. I cannot consider this 8 because 6 is lesser than this 8. If I include 8 here, I cannot do subtraction. Always I should take lesser value than the dividend. So I am going to consider 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now subtract 6 minus 4, you will get 2. Now bring the next number down from the dividend. 4. Now it is 24. So how many times you will get 24 in 4 table? 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Subtract, you will get 0. Okay. So now you have one more digit in the dividend which is 0 that has to be divided. So I am bringing down this 0 to do division. So as if the same procedure what I did in the first sum in this video. 0, when you will get 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So this 4 is your divisor, this 0 is your quotient, and your answer is 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. Understood? So I'll show you one more sum regarding this 0 concept. 737 divided by 7. So 7 divisor, 737 is your dividend. So first digit, 7 ones are 7. If you subtract 0, this 3 will come down. So now 3. How many times 3 will come in 7 table? Will we get 3 in 7 table? No, because 7 into 1 is equal to 7. See, always the dividend should be greater than the divisor. Since this 3 is lesser than this divisor, we can't do division. So again, I'm going to use that property 7 into 0 is equal to 0, because this 0 is lesser than this 3. Okay. Once if I brought down the number, I should do division. Without doing division, I cannot bring the next number down to do division. Okay. So 7, 0. 7 into 0. 7 into 0 gives 0. So now it has been divided. So 3 minus 0, you will get 3. Okay. Now bring the next value from the dividend 7 down. Now it is 37. So how many times 37 you will get in the 7 table? We will not get 37 in 7 table. But we can find the lesser value below this 37. So we will get 7 5s are 35. Yes, no, 7 5s are 35, which is lesser than 37. So I can write 35 here. So now subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So now I don't have any other value in the dividend. So I am stopping here with this division. So your remainder is 2 and your quotient is 105. Okay, so hope you have understood the division concept using this 0. Thank you, children.